front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then choose All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on any password that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Then use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!